So tasty make it new, easy to open tin. Me see it. Me not like it. Me like you wanna make me fight for reach. Cheese nice that way then. And moreover, the woman never feel too independent. Me like when time them call me and say, baby, can you open the cheese tin for me? Me feel manly. Fuck on the man. Man, dash that man, dash that. We don't want a Ziploc cheese pan. Me want the one that my woman will call me and say, babes, come open the cheese pan for me now, please. Yeah, me feel. Cut that out, man. When we do want, we don't even want to give it. We don't want to know.
Crazier than the 70s. I'm giving all these energies and singing all the melodies where I mash up the mad. I'm trying to be a better me.
Top Shotters is back. Looks like Koffee came out of the woods. She's giving us a new single. You can check it out on her YouTube channel. Also, who else is coming out of the woods? Alkaline. He has a show in London called New Rules, and I'm going to show you a few snippets of the sold out show. Check this out. Black Rhino linked up with Vybz Kartel the other day, and it looks like they are working. Well, he is working on a new song, a new video, and I'm about to show you a snippet of the song. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Check out this clip.
I'm gonna be nice. You know, that's something I like. I didn't want to see about them. This year, nobody's asking of you. And if you try to get friendly when you feel you being diligent, dogs, man, you just so the select this is a win, but I like it. I can stay. Then that's gonna be I'm gonna be nice. You know, that's something I like. I didn't want to see about them. This year, nobody's asking of you. And if you try to get friendly when you feel you being diligent, dogs, man, you just so the select this is a win, but I like it.
People know what is a style. Big up God, you know. So you have a problem on the yard. With the grandchildren and the children, them take off the gas buckle and can't come to the work.
When they don't want to wash for you.
When they don't want to wash up a human plate, so one say, alright, I can't carry stove with me. I take off the gas buckle. You know wrong or right, don't tell me no people. Big up God, me know that cheat them. Me, I can't my gas buckle come and work. Anytime I go work, I still here.
When you go home from work.
See there, in care gas buckle come and work. See workplace here. She can't gas buckle come. Me? Oh God, big up God. You don't know, say, me go to Jennifer yard. And the pity then tell me, say, Jennifer take a big gas string, grand pit neck go in gas. Me take some, Miss Woman gas. No, Jennifer, be a gas. Me take some, Miss Woman gas. Me take some, Miss Woman gas, you know. Jennifer, I just
Hey, people back in that day, no easy, you know, when them a deal with them, pity them, punish them different, you know. Shit, not easy. You guys let me know if this ever happened to you when you were younger. Let me know down in the comment section. Speaking of children, Shelly-Ann, the other day, her and her child was in a race, and of course she win. Everybody was like, Shelly, this is illegal, man. You're fast already. You're not supposed to run and beat nobody. If you make them win. But check this out. Now, I don't know if it's the same school, but, you know, it was sports day at Asafa Powell's child's school as well. I don't know if he ran, but his son ran. And, you know, people in the comment section were saying, you know, at least we have the kids to look to for the future for runners. You know, new Usain Bolt and new Usain Asafa Powell if you look forward to. But Asafa responded with a video and said, nope, my children are not running because Jamaica don't support their runners if they don't win a medal. Let me know in the comment section if you agree with what he said, but this is what he said in depth. Check this out.
Asafa Powell says his sons may not run for Jamaica.
Doing sports or track, you know, people are always like, yo, just our future look good and all that stuff, future stars and all that. But honestly, guys, if the support system don't change, my kid's not running for Jamaica. Not running for Jamaica. Sorry to say that, you know what I mean, but it's just facts, you know what I mean. My wife is Canadian and Ghanaian, so there are options, you know what I mean. I remember back in 2006 I was offered millions of US dollars to run for another country, and at the time I turned it down because I didn't know, it was very early, so I didn't know what the future would. If I knew what I know now, I would have taken up that opportunity.
Do you agree what he's saying, that if you don't win a gold medal, Jamaica no see you? Like what they see Usain Bolt, you know, he says that he's not, well, the athletes are not getting the support like they should, so he wouldn't want to put his children to run for Jamaica. That means they're going to run for another country. Tell me what your thoughts are on that in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share, and check out this video.
Words, they come like the man predicting whole entire life. Thank you, my boss. Thank you. At least one person we see the video, the point not go over them head. The man predicted almost to the T what did that go happen. The man say fresh from prison, a brand new king has risen. The man said that in a 2005. Remember, you know, before Vybz Kartel got jail, you know, he wasn't the undisputed king of dancehall, you know. People always say, yeah, Kartel are the king, but he was always iffy, if and but between him and Beanie Man. Now the man got jail and come back, and now he is the king. No argument, no quarrel. Everybody agree, say Vybz Kartel are the king. The man go back and the man said, the prodigal son has returned. I'm unpredictable like dice. The man has returned, as it say, like the prodigal son, and now the man a preach at about God and Jesus. Exactly what happened to the prodigal son in the Bible. Kartel sing a song named Touch Me If You're Bad. Whole on must know that song there. Touch me if you're bad. What are the next line in that song there? What are the next line in that song there? Touch me if you're bad. What are the next line? And where Kartel got prison for? The next line in that song there are the same reason why Kartel got prison. And Kartel do that song there from 2004. When such man was still fully alive. Kartel do that song there. And in a 2025, man is the undisputed king after 13 years of incarceration. And that was the whole point of the video. That this man is a prophet, this man is a genius, or this man engineer the path where him depend now to become the undisputed king of.
Do you agree with the guy? Do you think that Vybz Kartel is a prophet? Let me know what you think in the comment section. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first to notify when I upload. Also, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.